Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We all know that in the following months of 2022, a lot has happened and will continue to happen with Forex trading and its market rise. If you are interested in trading and earning a fortune, make sure you don't miss out on any Forex related news. Simply watch the video all the way through to do so. We all know that people are earning a fortune through Forex, buying expensive cars and living in luxury. But you guys may be wondering, why not are you earning the same? So today in this video, we'll talk about how to become a successful Forex trader by simply revealing the 10 untold secrets of trading. But before that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell icon. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Every novice trader, of course, wants to discover the finest strategy for trading in the Forex market. Learning that route is a complex secret that many people find difficult to comprehend. The trick of trading, however, is fairly straightforward. It is not a form of gambling or fortune. You must treat trading seriously and not merely with an eye toward financial gain. However, several factors must come together for your gaining a competitive edge. Don't assume that only new traders desire to learn every bit of information they can. It's interesting to note that even seasoned traders continue to seek out the holy grail that will transform their approach to trading. The ultimate aim will reveal to them all the information they require to trade on the biggest financial market. By doing this, they can raise their income quickly while maintaining a profit. Your determination to excel in your trading endeavors may depend on your ability to learn the trade secrets. You may reduce your investment costs and protect your return by having the appropriate information. Since not all traders have the time or chance to do so, they rely on technical indicators. Importantly, the caliber of a signal supplier will have a significant impact on your success in this sector as a whole. Let's first have an idea and background on how to deal with Forex signal providers. Trading demands precision in each indication, and the result won't be enjoyable if that objective is not achieved. So, if you're a novice trader considering using a signal supplier, it's crucial to pick one with a track record of success. When you take into account the rising number of scammers, reliability is crucial. Although trading signals won't always be accurate, a small loss shouldn't scare you away from trading. The accuracy of a signal provider is more crucial than its regularity when making a decision. Because consistency is so important, you should work with the Forex signal source who has been active in the Forex business for many years. The simpler it would be for you to use their indications, the more they have been trading. Moving forward with this video, let's unravel the 10 untold secrets of Forex trading. Number 1. Trade with a purpose and use data. You need to use your emotions a lot when trading. As a result, you are not required to trade just because you want to. Trading is a dangerous endeavor, so you should only put up money you're prepared to forfeit on the line. If you wish to trade, approach the market strategically rather than haphazardly. Trading professionals need to understand that despite multiple time zones, rapid communication, and the quickness and capability of the internet, any incident occurring anywhere in the world at any given time may have an impact on their market. Trading professionals must therefore make sure that they keep abreast of global news from primary research. Number 2. Make sure to have an extensive analysis with proper economic calendar tools. Influential graphs and a wide range of tools are needed by traders to do research, and the trader's accessibility to these tools depends on both the operator and the trading system they employ. The trader is better equipped to undertake upgraded research the more customization, chart patterns, and statistical items they have exposure to. The ability to perform technical or fundamental analysis, and frequently both, requires strong charting abilities, several signals and tools, as well as access to dependable news outlets and data. Traders who just keep an eye out for events that have the potential to move the market frequently ignore economic indicators. By employing an economic calendar, investors can foresee potential events that may affect the Forex market and their system of ideas, and, as a result, plan. Number 3. Don't rush your trading. Take slow with constant practice. Since you have the opportunity to produce another trade, you don't need to make it quickly. Take your time to perfect your craft on a demo account before thinking about going live, because the market will always be there. It was not a prudent choice to discover this the old-fashioned way, as most beginners did. In addition, you can improve your trading by enrolling in education programs if you can finance them. Comprehensive and in-depth testing in real-world scenarios without putting actual money at risk is the only way to develop a trading technique. traders can practice their tactics in a secure setting without incurring the downside risk by using demo accounts. Many traders and brokerage firms offer independent technique simulators that traders can use to evaluate their methods. Number 4. Track your trading journal. Maintain a trading diary if you want to understand whether you are progressing or not. No matter what strategy or trading technique you choose to employ, keep a record of your trades. You can determine what succeeds and what doesn't with this. Additionally, if you realize that a particular technique doesn't work, you can make all the necessary modifications. To be allowed to track their trading behavior and tactics, traders who keep a trading notebook or record are also better able to identify patterns in their behavior. A trading notebook or memoirs can also be used to document triumphs and the steps taken to attain them, as well as to take account of errors made in an attempt to block repeating them. Number 5. Run if it sounds too good. Many novice traders are seduced by this area. They are seduced by outlandish offers that don't take the cons into account. Whether it is a predictor or a warning, you should avoid it if it offers you a huge amount of money with no danger. The Forex market has no shortcuts for trading. Be sage. Number 6. Be patient. The financial sector is harder than most people realize. You could initially encounter the positive aspects, but after you get started, uncertainty starts to overwhelm you. Like any job, trading takes a bit of time to become proficient. In a single year, you don't anticipate becoming a physician or an astronaut. Even when things aren't going exactly as you planned, tolerance and perseverance are still necessary. When placing your trade, it would be ideal if you waited. Even when the market is working against you, patience is key. Trade requires patience. Well, all the former secrets were closely related to behavior and consistency, so let's shed some light on the techniques and strategies. Number 7. Grid trading. This trading method has been around for a while, and while it is trustworthy, it can be difficult to use without technology. This strategy software operates by designating quadrants to various areas of the trader's graphs. The confidence interval for each quadrant is then given, and it is dependent on how frequently the cost has been shown inside that quadrant. The trader can use this to assess both where the pricing has been and where it is most likely to go. Number 8. Fibonacci strategies. The Fibonacci technique is employed to identify upcoming market fluctuations, whether they are rising or falling. A center line with Fibonacci sections that extend outside in both into and out of, or up and down orientation is written on the graph every day. The fact that the Fibonacci stages can readily serve as stop loss and take profit areas, and that this procedure is mechanized, is an additional bonus. Number 9. Trend strategies. By analyzing the instrument's velocity as it goes with a certain manner, these techniques try to make money. A trend is defined as the major price movement moving in a specific way, whether it be increasing or decreasing. While many traders employ this, it does take some research to ascertain when a trend has begun, if it will persist in a specific way, when it is the best moment to initiate a transaction, and when is the right time to quit. Number 10. Breakout strategies. Volume is important in breakout methods. Instead of depending on a huge handful of discrete deals, most traders prefer to perform larger trades. Breakout methods, on the other hand, use pricing limitations to spot greater bursts of activity when they happen. When traders try to enter the marketplace when the value falls outside of a specified price range, whether it is demand or resistance, the breaching tactics are applied. In a closing call, let's acknowledge that making a steady profit in trading isn't easy. It does call for some work from your end. There are numerous ways to simplify the procedure. You might choose to engage in one-on-one trading with professionals who have in-depth market intelligence. Additionally, you can purchase trading signals if you wish to use Forex trading as a way of making a living. Understanding how to enter your indicators into your trading systems is not difficult. Well, that was it, and now it's time for me to end up my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon to receive fast notifications of all my new uploads. We will meet again in the next video. Next time, stay and thanks for watching.